All right, guys, I want to share another video with you that is going to go into one of my live accounts. This time it's my Forex account. And if you didn't get a chance, I urge you to watch the video I just recently did on my live stock trading account. But with that said, the reason I want to do this is because there's nothing like live scenarios, not something that happened 3 years ago to make me look good or whatever. I want to do something that is absolutely relevant. Today is June 10th. Okay, so let me set things up for you. This is you can see up on the upper left hand corner, this is my Awanda account. It's a live one, it's not demo or paper trading, right? Because as I've talked about in my classes that I've taught, I don't believe in demo trading because it gives you a false sense of security. And here's why. First of all, if you have no money on the line, you really don't care, okay? When you have the stress of losing money, all of a sudden it's hard to think clearly for most people, okay? It's a natural reaction because we don't like to lose money. So our ability to function under pressure is very different when we're in demo trading with no risk versus when we go live. That's why so many times people will practice trading for months and months and they'll crush it. They'll be really confident. And then out of nowhere, they start consistently losing. It's because now they have all the worry and the fear and they start making unnecessary mistakes. Okay, so the easiest workaround I know is to actually get in there, get your hands dirty and trade small lots. And let me show you how I do that. Okay, this is like a $3,300 account currently. Okay, and basically what happens is I'm testing an additional idea I want to teach with my new upcoming adaptive trading technology program. Okay, and what you're looking at is I started trading this little mini technique to help get secondary and third level entries safely. So if you go back, okay, these are all the trades I took in this account from June 8th, and here we are June 10th, right? So just a couple days. And if you were to count up all the trades, there's 14 trades, and there were 12 winners, 2 losers, so not too bad, right? Okay, because I was doing this more like quick in and out, shorter term trades, there's no big, swing trades or anything like that. But basically what happened is if you total up all the winners and losers, I made, was it $14.65, which basically is 146 pips. So not too bad, just playing around part-time. I rarely look at the screen, but so basically that works out to be about 70 odd pips a day, okay? And it goes without saying, the more markets you watch, the more charts, the more time frames, the more time you have to invest, the more trades you can get. But I don't like to stay glued here. Maybe if I was 18 years old, I could sit here and have marathons all day and all night. But to me, yes, I like trading, but it's a means to an end. Okay, so, it's not a video game. It's sort of high stakes poker where you can either make a lot of money or lose a lot of money depending on how seriously you take this. Okay, let me set something else up for you here. What you're looking at is this program that I'm going to share later in the summer. It's also great on Renko charts. Okay, so you can see this was the Swiss franc. Okay, this was I don't know what, like Renko size brick of about six pips or something like that. So it can really get some beautiful trades. It doesn't catch every little zig and zag. For instance, it didn't catch anything up here, but it got these ones really well. Okay, and the thing to keep in mind is, we're looking after the fact. So this trade has gone down 200 pips. All right, it'd be easy for me to say, oh yeah, you could have grabbed 200 pips, but you still have to manage a trade. Some of you might have said, you know what, hey, it's when I'm getting to this swing low here, I might get out, grab my whatever that was, 50, 60 pips, and you'd be happy. Others are going to run a trailing stop. Okay, others of you are going to use targets. Some of you might kind of wait to go from these like arrow to arrow type deals, which can work out very well too, and that's something I'll be teaching in my program. But I just wanted to share with you that because a lot of you like Renko bars, that yes, you can use this with Renko bars. Now, please keep in mind that I use a third-party Renko software. It's not a lot of money. It might be like $60, $70. But, you know, that's something we can talk about later if you don't have Renko software. So anyway, once again, the reason I'm sharing this with you is because I want to show that when I'm testing a new idea, I don't do it demo. I don't even go near it with demo, right? I just said, let me start with the smallest lot. Okay, so here's the thing about it. Because one micro lot, one pip is only 10 cents. If I lose 30, 40 pips on a trade, that's like the cost of a coffee. I'm not going to lose any sleep about it, right? It's not a big deal, but it's still enough to realize, okay, hey, I don't want to lose money. Let me make sure I'm sharp. So basically what happened is I kind of have a progression. After I've got about 20 trades and I prove the concept on this new technique I'm developing for you, when I've got about 20 trades under my belt, then I say, okay, let me just ratchet it up, go to 2 micro lots. And then when I've done the same thing, I might wait another 10, 15, 20 trades. Everything's still going as good as planned. Then I can go to 3 micro lots and so forth. But this is the best way to do it. You have to learn how to trade under pressure. It's the only way. So that's it, guys. I will start sharing more and more videos with you, because there's nothing like getting a feel for when the markets are unfolding live versus, once again, me going back like, you know, 2 months, 2 years and cherry picking things. Okay, the best thing is to see what's happening currently. That's the way you get a feel for things. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this.